Power and water are mission-critical infrastructure in food and beverage manufacturing. Water is not just an ingredient. It's used for cleaning, cooling, sanitation, and safety systems within the facility.
Companies are looking to have sustainable water solutions. They're looking for partners that are willing to take their goals for power and water sustainability to the next level.
Intelligent power usage and water efficiency is not always on top of the list. The customer will see this often, unfortunately, as adding cost to the project, which is not always an indication of plus value in their product.
So most of the facility have no way to monitor and track their energy usage. So it's leading to inefficiency and losses into their consumption and system not optimized.
Without real-time monitoring, those inefficiencies can stay hidden. It's not a direct purchase item on a CapEx line. It falls down into an operating expense that can sometimes get lost in the wash of just the cost of doing business.
We're already maxed out on the water. Everybody's asking for water. So the first thing we're doing is we're saying, where can we save water somewhere else in your plant?
At Salas O'Brien, we take a pragmatic and integrated approach. That means improvement in power and water directly translate on the plant floor to uptime, yield, and cost savings.
Closed loop systems or reuse systems allow for the manufacturing facility to cut usually anywhere between 25 and 40% of reliance on freshwater usage.
Establishing a baseline first and modeling their energy consumption, that's the first thing to help them establish KPIs to attain their sustainability targets.